Can I get your name?
Luke.
Joel.
Jacob.
Okay, so why are you guys here today?
Our cousin is Christopher Glass, that man there, and we have come to support him.
All of you are relatives.
Oh yeah, all our family.
A few of our family.
Okay, so where do you guys stay? Australia?
Yeah, Australia, Queensland.
So you flew down to Singapore just to support them?
Yeah.
Okay, how have the guys been performing?
Yeah, well,
Satisfying for you guys?
yeah, I like it. We had a really good game against Pakistan last night, so that was very exciting. Now, this game was pretty good today, get 2 wins in a row.
So how does it feel like to watch, your own friends playing your own family?
Oh, it's thrilling, I never thought I'd see the day. Yeah.
You sound so sarcastic. Okay, that's nice. Okay, some other teams have said that Australia might win, so what do you guys feel about that? Being they haven't won this cup before, so what do you think?
I feel that them and the Dutch, I hope that to be the final, but I don't know, they could end them up in the semis and be knocked out. Doesn't matter, see what happens.
Okay, so what do you think about hockey in Australia, the relation? Is it really strong? Is it popular in Australia?
Hockey is really not that popular in Australia. If you've moved to Western Australia, it's pretty popular in Perth, but not in Queensland really, so most of our boys go over to Perth and play.
So what sport is popular in Australia?
Rugby league.
Okay, in rugby, right, guys are usually more manly. Supposed to be, right? Yeah. Okay, so do you think hockey, the guys are equally manly?
Yeah, they're pretty manly, I think.
Look at the size of that guy.
Look at the biceps, yeah.
Which guy?
This guy
Right there.
His arms.
Yeah, I think it's pretty equal.
Okay.
Yeah.